Have you ever wondered who takes care of the circle of life when an animal dies in the wild? Nature, in her infinite wisdom, has devised a system where nothing goes to waste, a system of natural waste management, if you will. Within this intricate web of life, every creature has a role, a purpose, a mission to maintain that delicate ecological balance. Today, we turn our attention to a group of creatures often overlooked, misunderstood, and underappreciated. They're not the most glamorous or the most revered, but they play a critical role in our environment. These are the vultures, nature's very own cleanup crew. They are the unsung heroes of the ecosystem, silently going about their business, ensuring the circle of life continues unbroken. Their work is not for the faint-hearted, but it's essential, and it's high time we shed some light on these fascinating creatures. In the grand scheme of things, vultures play a role that is as important as it is misunderstood. Vultures, nature's cleanup crew, are the unsung heroes of our ecosystem. They play an essential role in maintaining the balance of nature, and their contribution is often overlooked. Vultures are scavengers, and their primary job is to clean up the environment by consuming dead animals or carcasses. By doing so, they prevent the spread of diseases that could otherwise be transmitted to other animals and even humans. Imagine leaving a carcass to decompose naturally. Not only would it take a long time, but it could also become a breeding ground for bacteria and pests. This could potentially lead to outbreaks of diseases. But vultures, with their keen eyesight and strong stomach acids, make quick work of these carcasses, keeping our environment clean and disease-free. Moreover, their scavenging activities contribute to nutrient recycling. The remains they leave behind become fertilizer, enriching the soil and promoting plant growth. These birds are indeed environmental heroes, cleaning up after the circle of life has completed another turn. What makes vultures so uniquely equipped for their role as nature's cleanup crew? Well, it all comes down to some truly remarkable adaptations. Vultures are built for scavenging, and their bodies reflect this in fascinating ways. Firstly, their stomachs are incredibly robust, capable of digesting rotting meat that would be fatal to other creatures. This is due to a potent cocktail of corrosive acids and enzymes that break down harmful bacteria and toxins. Next, let's talk about their bald heads. It might not win them any beauty contests, but it serves a crucial purpose. A featherless head prevents bacteria and remnants of their meals from sticking, effectively reducing the risk of disease. Lastly, vultures have an extraordinary sense of smell. It's so advanced that they can locate a carcass from miles away, even amongst dense vegetation. This ensures they're always first on the scene when nature calls for a cleanup. These adaptations not only enable vultures to perform their cleanup duties, but also to thrive in their ecological niche. So, what have we learned about these fascinating creatures? We've discovered that vultures are nature's unsung heroes, performing an invaluable cleanup service by consuming carrion, which helps to maintain the health of our ecosystem. We've learned that their unique adaptations, such as their keen eyesight, strong stomach acids, and bald heads, equip them perfectly for their scavenging role. We've also understood the critical role they play in preventing the spread of diseases. By consuming dead animals, they help to eliminate potential sources of infection, acting as nature's sanitation workers. But these essential players in our ecosystem are under threat. Habitat loss, poisoning, and other human activities are driving vultures towards extinction. This is not just a tragedy for the vultures themselves, but for the entire ecosystem. As we learn to appreciate these creatures for the essential role they play, it becomes clear that their conservation is crucial for a balanced and healthy ecosystem.